Sound check. Quiet, please.
Drums, go ahead. Stand by. Check. Now, bring up the bass guitar. Definitely bass guitar. Play up the electrics. I love it. Just add some EQ. Playing EQ. Sounds great. Let's compress that. Compressing. We're done. Okay. Mix in that singing talent. Let's hear that beautiful voice.
Feeling the magic, reach out and grab it, get up and sing.
Amazing. That's how I like it.
The world's on stage now, here we go. They wanna dance and lyrics flow. Celebrating life is what we do.
We are ready to rock.
Hello world, we're born to make you party. Hello world, we're here to get it started. Hello world.
Stop. Rewind. Rewinding, take one. And from the top, please.